The Xiaomi 17 arrives on the scene as the first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 equipped phone, and it also brings a few more notable upgrades over its predecessor. The company also launched the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max as part of its flagship smartphone lineup. The standard Xiaomi 17 appears in 4 color variants. The big one is the new 7000 mAh C/C battery, which features up to 16% silicon content and 100W wired fast charging. The 17 also supports 50W wireless charging and up to 22.5W reverse wireless top-ups. Xiaomi is bringing a 6.3-inch M10 LTPO OLED with 1 to 120Hz refresh rate. The screen features up to 3500 nits peak local brightness and Xiaomi Dragon crystal glass. The back gets a triple camera setup similar to last year, a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, a 50-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi 17 paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.1 internal storage. Xiaomi 17 price starts at 4,499 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.